Hi children, in the previous session you have seen how to divide. So what is eco sharing I have already explained. Now in the page number 35 of your textbook, all of you go through the page number 35 of your textbook. You can see a table is given in this way. So some number of sweets. So here you can see 50, 96, 84. Some number of sweets are there. It is to be equally distributed 5C in 5C in 5 groups. Number of groups equally distributed to 5 groups. This is 70. This 70 sweets to be equally distributed among 5 groups in 5C. So, how many chocolate sweets will each group get? That is what you have to fill here. Okay. So, for that what you have to do? Total number of sweets, how many? 70. So, how many number of groups are there? 5. So, 70 as we have seen in the previous session, what we have to do? 70 divided by 5. So divide 70 by 5. How much you will get? How to divide 70 by 5? Yes, to divide 70 by 5, what you have to do? 70, write 70 like this. Divide by 5 means first you have to divide by divide to 7. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 twos are 10. It should be so 2 times to subtract 5. It should be 10 should be there, but only 7 is there. So we cannot take away 2 times 5 from 7. So we can take only once. So 5 ones are 5. You will write here. Then subtract 7 minus 5 2. Then this 0 you brought down here. 20. In 20, how many 5s are there? Yes, in 20, 4 5s are 20. So, 14 we got here. Okay, so here we can write here 14. Each group will get 14 sweets. Number of sweets for each group 14. So, this way you have to divide and find out. Now, in the second case, you can see 6th A. In 6th A, total number of sweets is 96. But how many groups we don't know. But how many sweets will each group get? That is given as 8. So, to find out number of group, also we have to divide 96 divided by 8. You will get the number of groups. Okay, here you can see 70 divided by 5. 14 you will get, and 14 5s also will 40. 70 divided by 14. If you do, you will get 5. So, to get the number of groups, you have to divide number of sweets by number of sweets each person will get. Okay, or each group will get. And to get the number of sweets each group get, you have to divide the number of sweets by number of groups. So, here 96 divided by 8 you can fill here. Okay. And then 6th B, 84 sweets are there. Number of groups 6. So 84 divided by 6 you have to fill here. And then to get the total number of sweets, how can you get? Here you can see the first example, 70. You will get 15 into, so 5 14s are 70. So here 5 14s means what you have to do? 5 into 14. This number of groups and number of sweets each group get. That both you have to multiply. Then you will get then the total number of sweets. So to get the total number, you have to multiply the number of groups and number of sweets each group get. Then you will get the total number. If you know the total number and asked to find out the number of groups, then total number divided by number of sweets each group get. And also if you know the total number of sweets and number of groups, to get the number of sweets each group get, that also, then also you have to divide 84 divided by 6. That is, you will get here. Okay. So, how to fill this one? Number of sweets Total number of seats, how can you get? So number of groups multiplied by number of seats each group. So 7 into 12 if you do, you can fill the last column. Okay. So this you have to do today. Now children, here one problem is there. In your textbook you can see the next page, you can see some numerical problems related with division. So first problem I will be explaining here. The total price of 7 pence is 98 rupees. Okay, so total price of 7 pence is 98 rupees. All of them same price. What is the price of 1 pen? So here we know total price is given. Total price of 7 pence is given. Total price how much? Yes, total price is how much? Yes, total price is 98 rupees given. Okay. Now what else is given? 7 pence. Number of pence is given 7. So number of pence, how much? 7 pence. Total price is 98 rupees. Number of pence, 7. So what is our question? What is the price of 1 pen? So we have to find out the price for 1 pen. So total number of pens, 7. So total price, 98. So to find out for price for 1 pen. So to find out sweets for 1, what did we do? We did it division. The same way to get the price of 1 pen, we have to divide 98 by 7. So how can we perform the division? First you write 98 divided by 7 in this form, and then first is 7 in 9. How many times we can take away 7 from 9? So from 9, once we can take once only, then 2 will remain, isn't it? So from 2 we cannot take away 7. So once only. So we will write 1. 7 ones are 7. That these two multiply and write here 7 ones are 7. Then subtract. 9 minus 7 how much? 9 minus 7 you will get 2. 9 minus 7 you got 2 here. So here again this 8 you bring down. 8 you have to write down. Now this number becomes 28. So in 28 how many 7s? 7 fours. 7 fours are 28. So we got 14. Now it is 0. Okay. So 14 we got. 98 divided by 7 is 14. So what is the price of 1 pen? 14 rupees. We got it as 14 rupees. So this is how we have to perform the division. Okay. So we can solve in this way. And children, the next question you have to solve it. I will tell how to do it. Amar bought 6 notebooks, all of the same price. He gave 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper gave him 4 rupees back. What is the price of one notebook? Here 100 rupees he gave to the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper returned him 4 rupees. So how much here the shopkeeper took for these 6 notes? Yes, 100 minus 4, isn't it? 100 minus 4 means 96 rupees only the shopkeeper took for the 6 notes. So, price of 6 notebook is 96 rupees. Okay. So, that is what you have to write first. So, let us do it now. So, children, here you can write total price of the notebook. Total price how much? So, 100 minus this 4. Okay, that is total price. 96 rupees only for this 6 notebooks. So, number of notebook is equal to how much? 6. So, price of one notebook equal to 96 divided by 6. So, 96 divided by 6. First in 9 you have to see 6 ones are 6. So, once you got 1 you got, minus subtract 6 from 9, you will get 3. Then 6 brought down, 36. 36 in 36, how many times 6? 6 6 are 36. So, 0 remains. So, 16 rupees you will get. This is how we have to solve the numerical. Hope all of you understood. and you have to try these questions and to do it in your notebook. And we will continue in the next session. And till then, bye children.